Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset your Nest thermostat. So this is the newest version of the Nest thermostat, the 2020 Nest thermostat with the mirrored screen. In order to reset this, you're going to touch on the side here, and that gives you access to the menu. Then you're going to scroll down through all the different options. Keep scrolling until we get to the end and click on settings. Now, once again, we're going to scroll down, keep scrolling, scroll again, and we're going to go all the way to the last item here, factory reset. Once we get to that option, we click again to select this, and then we need to scroll down and click reset, return to factory default. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then it asks if we are sure. Yes, we are, so make that selection yes, and now it will reset. It gives you a couple seconds to cancel, but we don't want to touch it while it's resetting. Now, it takes about a minute or two for this to reset to factory defaults, but once it is reset, your personal information has been cleared from the device. So if you're moving out of your home, you are good to go, or if you're giving this away, or maybe you're returning it. So thank you for watching this video on how to reset a Nest thermostat, the 2020 version or the mirrored version. If you like this video, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below. Thank you.